Testing 1, 2. Okay, so we're back on the Sentra today. What we're gonna do on the Sentra today is, for a little bit of better clearance, we're going to actually slide this about 1 inch back.
Oh, back to this or this way?
No, can't go anymore. Look.
Yeah.
Back that way.
Okay. You got space. Okay.
Weirdo.
Well, I would love to run this on my Teggy, dude.
What do you mean, how do you get them? You got them up here.
Can you run this on a Teggy?
You have to do it from up here. It only has 1 nut on it.
I know, but I'm gonna try to drill it from up top. If I can cut it away clean.
Yeah, you have to cut it.
But where's the top pass? Inside the car?
Right here. Here's my hand. Look through the
Right,
top.
What? You get me a saw, the grinding thing?
Oh, there goes his hand.
This is exactly what I did. I moved it about 1 inch back, just like we wanted to do. And
just did
over
another hole right there,
Yeah,
so you just
yeah.
push it back. So now it's like adjustable, kinda.
yeah, kinda.
You got 2 settings.
And now over here is where this is where we want it.
Want it so it's
Because now
a little bit closer.
Closer, but we can get all of our adjustment out of these now and utilize these.
All the adjustment and everything. Nice. All right, cool.